This is a brief overview of the Kurtzer Hybrid Maneuver. For detailed information, see our extended video linked above. While sitting on the edge of a bed or flat surface, turn the head to one shoulder and lie down on the opposite shoulder. The nose should be facing the ceiling and the neck should have 30 degrees of flexion towards the uppermost shoulder. Hold this position for 60 seconds. The second step is to turn the head down towards the bottom shoulder, while also tucking the chin into the chest 30 degrees. Once again, hold this position for 60 seconds. Step 3 is to turn the head back up towards the uppermost shoulder. Rotate the body to the other side, maintaining the head position looking up. Hold this position for 60 seconds. Lastly, turn the head down towards the bottom shoulder again, while also tucking the chin into the chest 30 degrees. Hold this position for 60 seconds. Test to see if the maneuver was successful by turning the head to the middle before sitting up. Vertigo should be absent. If not, repeat the Kurtzer maneuver a second time.